Yes, hello again YouTube. I'm out with my dog again, as usual. And today I just came straight from the office and I got this cool office knife. It's the CRKT HEIHO. This is model 2900. It has this modified Tanto blade, pretty cool. It also is OutBurst assisted, so when you try this thumb disc it just flicks out really aggressive and explosive. It also has this little button up here, which if you pull it up it makes the blade into a fixed blade. Pull it back, get it back down. It is G10 scales, they're pretty cool. Some kind of texture here. It's a liner lock. I really like this one. I like the blade on it. Pretty elegant. And I also did like the thumb disc here. Just makes it an overall stealth and compact little folder. It's a perfect office knife. Pocket clip, pretty cool. Comes tip up carry only, left and right side. That's what I like. I think it's an awesome little blade. The CRKT HEIHO. Weighs about 3.6 ounces, I think, and it's about 3.125 inch long. Yeah, I really like this blade. Okay YouTube, I gotta get home and nurse my flu. That's all folks, have a splendid day, stay out of trouble. Hooah!